Washington employers, you don't just provide jobs, you help shape lives. You are the core of our communities, pillars of our solidarity and humanity, and together you weave the fabric of our economy, making our state the best place to live and work. And the Association of Washington Business wants to recognize you. Nominations are now open for our Washington Excellence Awards and Manufacturing Excellence Awards. Go to awb.org/awards to see all of our 13 categories. Apply for as many as you want, including our newest categories, the Washington Veterans and Families Award, the Washington Resiliency Award, and Excellence in Washington Family-Owned Business. Our awards are given out during our annual Evening of Excellence ceremony in late fall. The paperless nomination process has been streamlined for your convenience, so now it's easier than ever to gain the recognition you deserve. The application deadline has been extended to July 31st, so go to awb.org/awards today and we'll see you taking home some hardware this fall.